How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to eat more vegetables. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the easiest way to eat more vegetables is to add just a little bit in each meal. This way, throughout the day, you can accumulate a lot. For breakfast, I recommend adding spinach or kale to an egg omelet. Kale and spinach are powerhouse vegetables and one of the healthiest vegetables that you can eat. You can also add mushrooms, tomatoes, and onion to your omelet and make it tastier than just having 3 or 4 plain eggs. This is how I get my vegetables in the morning. The next tip is something that I've been doing for some time. I recommend trying one new vegetable each week to your diet. You can try different recipes with this vegetable and add it to different meals, but the key here is to eat it during the week and experiment with new recipes. I've done this with spaghetti squash, something I've never had in my life, something I would have never have tried in my life, and now I love it, and it's a staple in my diet. My next tip is to always have fresh vegetables laying around for a snack. My mom would do this all the time when I lived at home. There would be a tray of vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, tomatoes, and celery. This is also a great way to lose weight because instead of reaching for a snack that is high in calories and fat, you reach for a healthier option of the vegetables. Not only do you get more vegetables in for the day, but you also choose the lower calorie option, hence making you lose more weight. It's a win-win for you. Another easy tip and something that I do on a daily basis is to blend your vegetables in a smoothie. This is probably the easiest way to get your vegetables in for the day because you are just drinking the smoothie as opposed to eating the foods raw. What I always do is blend my spinach in with my whey protein shake and strawberries. This is probably one of the tastiest smoothies you can have. It's seriously delicious, and I recommend you guys try it out. The last tip is to make baked goods out of the vegetables. There are lots of snacks and desserts that you can make out of vegetables that make it taste amazing. A great example is carrot muffins. They are a healthier option than eating chocolate muffins with chocolate icing on them. That is what I recommend doing. I will put a link in the description box to some healthy vegetable recipes that you can buy. It'll be a cookbook that you can buy, and it'll show you how to make some healthy vegetable items. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.